Good morning, dear students. This is Rahul Garg, your maths teacher. This is our second lecture for polynomials, and in the last lecture, we have discussed what is polynomial and the types of polynomial. Polynomials are algebraic expression that includes real numbers and variables, and then we have discussed conditions for this. The conditions were that power should not be in the square root form or division form, variable should be not be in the division form, and the power of variable should be whole number, and on the basis of number of terms we divide the polynomial as monomial, binomial, polynomials. This is all about which we have already discussed. And next we have discussed degree of polynomial. The highest power of any variable in the polynomial is known as degree of polynomial. This is also known as order of the polynomial. On the basis of this, we have discussed linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, and cubic polynomial. This all things we have discussed in last lecture. Then we have discussed value, means if we replace any variable x with any real number, then the value which we will get is known as value of polynomial. And zero of polynomial means that value of that real number on which our polynomial gives value 0. हमें उस वैल्यू को रियल नंबर को फाइंड करना है जिस पे वो जो वैल्यू है उस पॉलिनोमियल की वो क्या आए, 0 आए. और देन वी हैव डिस्कस ज्योमेट्रिकल मीनिंग ऑफ 0. इट मीन्स number of points where it cuts the x axis or y axis. This is also we have discussed for quadratic equation. If alpha and beta are the roots, because every quadratic equation will have two roots, say alpha and beta, then the sum of zeros is alpha plus beta, that is negative b divided by a. B is coefficient of this x and a is coefficient of this x square, and the product of zeros is alpha into beta is c divided by a. C is constant term and a is again coefficient of x square. This we have already discussed. And now today we will start with the proof of this, which we have said that alpha plus beta equals minus b upon a. ये कहाँ से आया, हमें ये फॉर्मूला कहाँ से डिराइव किया, लेकिन ये सीबीएसई एग्जाम के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है. सीबीएसई के अकॉर्डिंग सिर्फ आपको ये फॉर्मूला लर्न करना है. प्रूफ एक बार अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए आप देख लीजिए. तो इफ वी हैव टू रूट्स से zeros alpha and beta of the general quadratic polynomial, say ax square bx plus c equals 0. Now what is the meaning of this 0? The meaning of 0 means if alpha and beta are the zeros, then x minus alpha, because x equals alpha, then x minus alpha equals 0. Similarly, x minus beta equals 0, then x minus alpha and x minus beta will be the factor of this polynomial. For example, what is the meaning of factor? If I am saying 30, then I can say that 2, 5, 3 all are the factors. Then how I can write this? 2 into 3 into 5, 30 equals 2 into 3 into 5. Or if I know that 3 and 5 are the roots of 30, then I can write 3 into 5 and something that will be multiplied with this and become equals 30. Similarly here, if x minus alpha and x minus beta are the factors, then we can write x minus alpha and x minus beta into any number, say k. Then it will be equals ax square plus bx plus c, which is our quadratic polynomial. Now kx square, on multiplying this will become kx square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. Now compare this with the left hand side, that is comparing the coefficient of x square. We will get here on the left side this is a and on the right side this is k, means a equals k. Now second, comparing the coefficient of x means plus b equals negative k into alpha plus beta, this will be. And on comparing the constant term we will get c equals k times alpha into beta. Now we have to find alpha plus beta. Now this alpha plus beta is b divided by minus k, b divided by minus k, and if we replace this k with this a, because k equals a, then alpha plus beta is minus b divided by a. This is our first formula, that is sum of zeros. And on comparing this, alpha beta equals c divided by k, and again we will replace this k with a, then alpha into beta will be c divided by a. This is the proof of sum of zeros and product of zeros. You have to note आपको ये नोट डाउन नहीं करना है अपनी नोटबुक पे, दिस इज जस्ट ओनली फॉर योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. नाउ our first sum is find the zeros of the polynomial this and verify the relation between the zeros and its coefficient. So सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना है, first of all we have to find the zeros of this polynomial. In class 9 you have learned the factors method, factorization method. On the basis of factorization method we will find the zeros of this this polynomial. Now 12 into 1 is 12. हमें ऐसे 12 के ऐसे फैक्टर बनाने हैं जिनका जो प्रोडक्ट है वो 12 के इक्वल आए और जब उनको ऐड या सब्ट्रैक्ट करें तो 7 आए. That factors are 3 and 4. If we multiply both we will get 12, and if we add then this will be 7. Now fx is x square plus 7x plus 12, and we can write this as x square plus 4x plus 3x plus 12. Now taking common x from first, this will become x plus 4, and here we have we take common 3, this will become x plus 4. Now taking x plus 4 common from both, then we have x plus 4 into x plus 3. Now if we are finding the zeros, it means this polynomial equals 0, then we can find the zeros. Now polynomial अगर ये 0 है तो मतलब या तो मेरा ये नंबर 0 है या फिर ये, either x plus 4 is 0 or x plus 3 is 0. Now if my x plus 4 is 0 then x is minus 4, and if x plus 3 is 0 then my 0 is minus 3. So zeros are minus 4 and minus 3. We have find the zeros of polynomial x square plus 7x plus 12, that is minus 4 and minus 3. Now we have to verify the relation between the zeros and its coefficient. तो इसका रिलेशन क्या है कि sum of zero should be minus b divided by a and product of zero should be c divided by a. Now verification is sum of zeros. Here we have zeros minus 4 and minus 3. The sum is minus 7, and according to our formula sum of 0 is minus b divided by a, then this will be minus 7. So both from the formula and from the zeros both are same, hence the relation is verified. And for the similarly for product of zeros, product of zeros is minus 4 into minus 3, 12, and product of 0 equals c divided by a, that is constant term divided by coefficient of x square, and constant term is 12 and a is 1. This we have this is all about from here. If we compare the this equation with ax square plus bx plus c, then we will get a equals 1, b equals 7, and c equals 12. Now find the zeros of the polynomial t square minus 15 and verify the relation between zeros and its coefficient. तो सेम क्वेश्चन है, हमें सबसे पहले जीरोस फाइंड करने हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड द जीरोस. t square minus 15 can be written as t square minus root 15 square. This can be written as this, and this is our identity a square minus b square, which is a plus b and into a minus b. This can be written as a plus b, that is t plus root 15 into t minus root 15. Now to find the zeros of polynomial, we will put this equals 0, and then either this will be 0 or this will be 0. Now for zeros, fx equals 0, and if this is 0, either t plus root 15 is 0 or t minus root 15 is 0. Then we have two zeros are root 15 and minus root 15. These are the zeros. Now again to verify, we will find sum of zeros. Now sum of 0 is root 15 plus minus root 15. This will be cancelled out and the sum of 0 is 0. And from this, the sum of 0 is minus b divided by a. Minus b divided by a, and b is 0. So again sum of zeros from both formulas, and by adding the zeros same, that is 0. And for product of 0, there the product will be minus 15, and from here again we will get the product of 0 minus 15. For verification, sum of zeros 0, and by the formula minus b by a, the sum of 0 is again 0, and product of 0 is minus root 15, and from formula this will be minus 15 root 15, and hence here this will be 15. इसमें आप करेक्शन कर लेना स्टूडेंट्स. दिस इज 15, दिस इज नॉट स्क्वायर रूट 15, दिस इज 15. and स्टूडेंट इसको करेक्ट कर लेना. दिस इज here you have to write 15 because this is not square root 15, this is 15. Now find a quadratic polynomial if sum and product of its zeros are 4, 1 respectively. आपको क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल फाइंड करनी है जिसके आपको जीरोस का सम और प्रोडक्ट दिया हो. तो आपको पता है सम ऑफ zeros means alpha plus beta. Let alpha and beta are the zeros of quadratic polynomial. Say if this is my quadratic polynomial, then I have alpha and beta as the zeros. Now alpha plus beta is minus b divided by a, and we are given sum of 0 as 4. So I can write here 4 as minus 4 into minus 4 divided by a, so that I can compare the value of b and a. Here from comparing we will get a equals 1 and b equals minus 4. Similarly for product of zeros, that is alpha into beta, constant term divided by coefficient of x square, and this is 1, and c here we have taken a equals 1, so make a 1 so that we can compare easily. Comparing we will get a equals 1, b equals minus 4, and c equals 1. So replace a, b, c with these numeric value, that is 1, minus 4, 1 respectively, and you will get the quadratic equation. Putting the values of a, b, c in the polynomial, quadratic polynomial is x square minus 4x plus 1. स्टूडेंट लास्ट टाइम मैंने इसको आपको एक फॉर्मूला से के थ्रू करवाया था, वो भी सही है और ये भी सही है. काफी स्टूडेंट को प्रॉब्लम होगी फॉर्मूला लर्न करने में, तो आप वहां से अगर नहीं करना चाहते तो इस तरीके से भी कर सकते हैं. बोथ आर द सेम थिंग्स. नाउ find a quadratic polynomial if sum and product of its zeros are minus 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 respectively. Now again let alpha and beta are the zeros, and alpha plus beta, that is sum of zeros, is given minus 1 by 4. To substitute the values here, Now product of zeros, and product of zero is c by a, that is 1 by 4. तो कंपेयर करेंगे तो हमें क्या मिलेगा, a equals for both in this equation and in this equation, both from both we will get a equals 4 and b equals 1 and c 1. Substitute the values and we will get polynomial 4x square plus x plus 1. वेरी इजी. और जो फॉर्मूला है वो आपका है, वो थोड़ा टफ लगेगा कि फॉर्मूला लर्न करना पड़ेगा, लेकिन ये आपको बड़ा इजी लगेगा कि कंसेप्ट बेस पे हम जो एक फॉर्मूला याद करके हैं उसी बेस पे हम इसको कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि इससे क्या आपको क्यूबिक इक्वेशन वाला भी इजी हो जाएगा. अदरवाइज आपको क्यूबिक के लिए अलग से फॉर्मूला याद करना पड़ेगा. बट क्यूबिक इक्वेशन इज नॉट फ्रॉम योर सीबीएसई पॉइंट ऑफ सीबीएसई सिलेबस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. नाउ दिस इज आपको ये अपना उसमें नोटबुक में नोट डाउन नहीं करनी है, बिकॉज दिस इज अगेन नॉट फ्रॉम सीबीएसई सिलेबस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन zeros and coefficient of cubic polynomial. Now you know that for cubic polynomial we will have three roots, three zeros. So alpha, beta and gamma are the roots of the polynomial. General polynomial equation is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Then sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta plus gamma, will be negative coefficient of x square, that is minus b divided by a. A is coefficient of x cube. And alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, this is c divided by a. C is coefficient of x and a again coefficient of x cube. Now product of roots alpha into beta into gamma is negative d divided by a. D is constant term and a again coefficient of x cube. This is not in your syllabus. You have only quadratic equation in your syllabus, not cubic. क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल मैं जस्ट आपको अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए करवा रहा हूँ कि आपको जो ऑप्शनल एक्सरसाइज है उसके क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो सके. अदरवाइज ये आपके सिलेबस के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से फाइनल एग्जाम में इससे रिलेटेड आपको क्वेश्चन सम नहीं देखने को मिलेगा. यू हैव टू कंप्लीट योर एक्सरसाइज 2.2 ऑन योर क्लास वर्क एंड होमवर्क नोटबुक. एंड अगेन फॉर दोज स्टूडेंट हु हैव ऑलरेडी कंप्लीटेड, they will have to practice on their rough notebook. Okay student, thank you, bye bye, have a nice day.